how to reset Nether in Minecraft. So to show you that it will work, I'm just gonna put a double chest right here. Then after that, what you will need to do is just simply go out of the Nether world first, so that you won't get stuck. Since if you reset this, the portal will also reset. So I'm just gonna go back right here. Now go to your menu, then go to single player, then go to the world that you want to reset the Nether of. So I want to reset this world. So click on it, then click on edit, then click on open world folder. Then you will see two folders right here, which says DIM1 and DIM minus 1 right here. So what we need to delete is this one, the DIM minus 1. So just simply click on it, then delete it. Now once it's done, just click on save. Now go back to your world right here, then load it up. Now when we go back to our world right here, and go back to the Nether, as you can see, the chest that we've put earlier is now gone. And that's how I basically reset the Nether in Minecraft.